Hi everyone, for this video I'm going to share with you a tutorial on how to create this box to add to this cute book album die set from KSCRAFT. This is part of her new April release and it comes with these dies. So you get the two dies that create the layer and the front and back cover of the album, and then you get these additional pieces which is also part of the die set. And let's create one of these. Okay, so you're going to need two for the front and the cover, the die cut. So I made the front and the back. And then you're going to need two pieces. The top part of the box, that measures, let's see here, it's going to be 8.5. It's 8.5 in height. Well, actually, no, it's 8 1/16 in height by 6 9/16 in width. And I'll put the dimensions in the description box down below. And then you're going to measure 1 inch on all four sides. Well, you're going to score that at 1 inch on all four sides. And then for the bottom of the box, it's going to be 6.5 inches wide by 8 inches in height. And then you're going to score at 1 inch on all four sides. So let's do the bottom of the box first. So let's fold those score lines. And then you can use either, if you have this, the We Are Memory Keepers punch, or it's a thumb notch punch, or you can use a circle punch, like a maybe like a 1 inch circle. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and fold those score lines. And you can fill up this book with embellishments, treats. You can maybe even put a little album in there. Okay, now you're going to cut. Since this is the bottom, you're going to cut the sides right here on the 6.5 inch side. You're going to cut a slit. Actually, these, let me see, I do that. Yeah, okay. So you're going to cut a slit. So cut that slit. I like to cut like at an angle, just so it's easier to assemble the box. Do that on both sides. Okay, so go ahead and you're going to build the box. Actually, let me get some different adhesive. I was going to use my wet glue, but I'll just use my tonic glue here. So add some glue on these tabs right here. So you can add your glue. Okay, go ahead and build your box. And this is some basil cardstock. It's really nice, thick cardstock. So it's perfect when you're creating the book. Okay, so that's the bottom. And then for the top, go ahead and fold again those score lines. Okay, so you're going to cut on the left side, you're going to cut this out. So remove this square out. Same with this end. Okay, and then you're going to cut a slit. Same with this side. But before you close the box, let's punch our hole. Let's get a little notch. I just eyeball it in the center. Okay, and then you're gonna fold in these tabs. You're gonna close that. Okay, and then this part, did I glue it on the inside? Yeah, I glued it on the, no, actually I glued it on the outside. So you're gonna add adhesive right here. Okay. So all I do is I put the box on top first. And then I just give it a squeeze, and then I push this down. And then I just open it up and press. It's nicely glued down. Okay. And then for the book, to create it, you just basically just eyeball it in the center. That's all you're going to do. It's just eyeball it. So I'm just going to add, make sure this part of the notch is on the right side. So I'm just going to add my glue. I'll flip it over. Now, because the shape is kind of, it's not a completely straight shape, you just eyeball it. Okay, that looks good. And then you're just going to add the glue on this side. This tape is not that sticky. Give it a good press. Okay, and then that's how you make it. And then it just opens up like this. And it creates a nice, cute book box. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.